The Family and Medical Leave Act, often referred to as FMLA, stands as a crucial pillar of workers' rights in the United States, ensuring that employees are granted the opportunity to balance their professional commitments with personal and family responsibilities. This act represents a significant step towards harmonizing the demands of work and the needs of family, reflecting the evolving nature of employment dynamics and societal values. What is the Family and Medical Leave Act? The Family and Medical Leave Act, enacted in 1993, is a federal law that provides eligible employees with the right to take unpaid, job-protected leave for specific family and medical reasons. These reasons include the birth or adoption of a child, the care of a spouse, child, or parent with a serious health condition, or the employee's own serious health condition. The FMLA mandates that eligible employees be granted up to 12 weeks of leave in a 12-month period without the fear of losing their job or facing any adverse consequences.